Hello friends. Welcome to my channel GSM Solution. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below, give suggestion about my videos. I will get motivated to make new videos. Today I am share how to iCloud bypass iPhone 6's iOS 13.5 on Windows PC. Now your pen drive ready to boot. Now reboot your PC, go to BIOS and select pen drive and reboot. Click enter key. Log in as like video. Checker 1 and 0.10.1 ready to use. Now connect your phone on PC DFU mode. Used keyword and click Start and Next tab step by step. Now Apple device jailbreak and process and task complied. Turn off your PC input bootable pen driver. Open iCloud bypass tool and input 3 because my device iOS 13.5, then enter key. My device iPhone 6 is iCloud bypass compliant iOS 13.5 on Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notified about my new upload. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below, give suggestion about my videos. I will get motivated to make new videos.